Title Art Memory Scrapbook. Once upon a time, in a cozy little home nestled amidst a bustling town, lived a family of artists. Parents Lily and Jack marveled at the creative talents of their two children, Emma and Noah. From the moment they could hold a crayon, the siblings painted their world with vibrant hues and imaginative strokes. As the years spun by like a whirlwind, Lily noticed their home brimming with piles of Emma's whimsical watercolors and Noah's intricate paper crafts. Determined to cherish these fleeting moments forever, Lily hatched a plan, a memory book that would encapsulate the artistic journey of her beloved children. One sunny weekend, Lily summoned the family to gather around the kitchen table. She unveiled a treasure trove of colorful papers, stickers, ribbons, and a blank scrapbook. Emma's eyes widened with excitement, and Noah's curiosity was piqued. "Let's make a memory book together," Lily announced with a warm smile. Emma and Noah eagerly flipped through their artwork, selecting their favorites. Noah's paper airplanes and origami animals danced across the table, while Emma's fairy tale landscapes and finger paintings added a touch of magic. Each piece held a story, a snapshot of their creative evolution. With scissors snipping and glue sticks gliding, the family dove into crafting their masterpiece. They arranged the artwork chronologically, tracing the progression of sketches from crude doodles to intricate masterpieces. Emma's first scribbles transformed into vibrant illustrations, and Noah's simple cutouts evolved into complex designs. Lily guided them, helping to organize the pages in a harmonious flow. They adorned the pages with captions, anecdotes, and little notes reminiscing about the moments each creation represented. Laughter filled the air as they recalled the stories behind the paintings, the rainy day that inspired a colorful umbrella scene or the camping trip that sparked Noah's fascination with forest creatures. As the day waned into a golden dusk, the memory book began to take shape. Each page was a kaleidoscope of memories, a visual ode to their family's creativity and bond. The children's faces beamed with pride, seeing their artwork transformed into a cherished keepsake. Months passed, and the memory book grew thicker, enriched by new drawings and creations. Whenever visitors came by, the family eagerly shared the book, flipping through its pages like chapters in a beloved storybook. They laughed, they reminisced, and they marveled at the artistic journey that unfolded within its colorful confines. Years rolled by, and Emma and Noah ventured into new artistic endeavors, leaving behind a trove of creations that found their way into the memory book. Lily cherished the moments frozen in those pages, knowing that this book wasn't just a collection of art but a testament to the love, growth, and creativity that defined their family. And so, in that cozy little home, nestled amidst the world's hustle and bustle, the memory book stood as a beacon of cherished memories, a testament to the beautiful tapestry woven by Emma, Noah, Lily, and Jack, a treasure to be passed down through generations, preserving not just art, but the essence of a family's shared journey. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.